I equally want to thank all distinguished persons as you travel back to your various destinations.
Are there time for all group?
Yeah. Sorry, excuse me. Please.
Okay, gentlemen, please.
Now my honor is now formally handed over to His Royal Highness to receive the Senator.
And distinguished senator, may please take your seats. His Royal Highness is at this moment confirming his items are the items with which he came into custody with an intact.
Okay, distinguished senators, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to let me begin by first and foremost recognizing the presence in our midst this morning of distinguished Senator Ede Dafinone, Senator representing Delta Central, and of course his darling wife, not forgetting other members of his entourage who are here this morning. I would equally like to respectfully acknowledge His Royal Highness Clement Ikolo, Ughelli, King of Ewu Kingdom in Delta State. Having said that, my name is Major General Onyema. I'm Director, Army Public Relations, and on behalf of the Chief of Army Staff, I'd like to welcome you, distinguished Senator, members of your entourage, and of course not forgetting your spouse to this all-important event. I would equally like to welcome members of the press. They've been with us since yesterday, for the past 3 days, since we began the Chief of Army Staff first quarter conference. I thank you for your resilience. Having said that, we all know why we're here this morning. It's about His Royal Highness, who voluntarily made himself available when we declared some people wanted, some suspects wanted, in the course of that unfortunate incident that led to the loss of life of 17 personnel of the Nigerian Army. Having said that, I will proceed with this press briefing. Following the gruesome and reprehensible killing of 17 Nigerian Army personnel in the Okuama community of Delta State on 14 March 2024, a manhunt was launched for those suspected to have perpetrated, directed, supported, or knew about the incident with a view to bringing those culpable to justice. In this light, His Royal Highness Clement Ikolo Ughelli, the king of Ewu Kingdom of Delta State, in whose domain the dastardly act took place, surrendered to the Nigerian police, who in turn handed him over to the Nigerian army. Since his surrender, the Nigerian army has painstakingly reviewed every available information on the incident and has come to some preliminary observations and inferences, one of which is that while culpability has not been conclusively established against the traditional ruler, there is insufficient evidence to exonerate anyone at this stage. Nevertheless, on the intervention of distinguished Senator Dafinone, representing Delta Central, and his vouching for the monarch's character, and the fact that the monarch voluntarily turned himself in for questioning, it has been decided that His Highness be released to the distinguished senator, who has agreed to act as surety for his release on the condition that he will always assist the Nigerian army and other agencies of government investigating the Okuama killing incident to have access to the monarch whenever needed. The Nigerian army, therefore, hereby releases His Royal Highness Clement Ikolo Ughelli to the King of Ewu Kingdom, to distinguished Senator Dafinone, representing Delta Central as a responsible national political figure. Members of the public and the international community are to note that the release of the traditional ruler speaks to Nigerian Army's commitment to upholding the rule of law and justice. The Nigerian Army, therefore, wishes to, by this gesture, encourage others to make themselves available for questioning, and that they are guaranteed their fair and decent treatment, and will be strictly subjected to constitutional provisions for handling such cases if found culpable. Thank you for your attention. So it's my honor to now formally hand over.